Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to enable JavaScript in Internet Explorer. Type Internet Explorer in Windows search bar. Click Internet Explorer. Click Settings, Internet Options. Select Security tab. Click Custom Level. Check Enable under Active Scripting. Click OK, Yes. Click OK. Refresh the web page. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.